Is your Netflix movie that has a Dolby ATMOS feature is not showing in your Samsung Smart 4K or 8K TV?
Ang tawag dito is Emeline Briar Lane Kilted.
Buy this smartwatch. Is your Netflix movie that has a Dolby ATMOS feature is not showing in your Samsung Smart 4K or 8K TV? Even though you're paying Ultra 4K HD monthly in your Netflix? So, for example, the Wrath of Man, you see Ultra HD 4K, but it's not showing that there's a Dolby Atmos there. Well, there's nothing wrong with the Netflix or there's nothing wrong with your TV. All you have to do is go to Settings, Sound, then Export Settings, Digital Audio Format. So click that and then go to Auto and then enable that auto and then exit. Go to Netflix. There. You'll see the Dolby Atmos there already. It's gonna show the Dolby Atmos and it's already enabled. So if you enable that Dolby Atmos in your Netflix, you will be enjoying that Dolby Atmos if you have that soundbar that has the Dolby Atmos features or the receiver that has a Dolby Atmos features. So I hope you like the tips and tricks for your Samsung Smart 4K or 8K TV. Please subscribe on this channel and hit the like button. See you on our next video.